Yeah, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question on the topic principle of tangency from the series of questions that we started in the previous video. And we are solving the last question, which is question number 9. As you can see, this is the block. It has the width of the base is 112 and the height of the base is 25, and it has a curved portion here, and there are two curved parts at the top here whose centers, if you look at this center, is aligned to this point, which is 10 from the face. It is inclined at 10 from the face, and we have a curved part of radius 11, another one here, and here. So we're going to draw this diagram from the scratch. So the first thing I want to do is to draw a horizontal line to represent the base. Draw a horizontal line to represent the base. Then along the horizontal line, I'll measure the width, which is 112. The width, which is 112. Is 100, 110, 111, 112 is here. So let me take in this one. So I'll draw a vertical line at the two ends. I'll draw vertical lines at the two ends. This one. Now if you look at it, the base of the width is, the thickness of the base is 25. So I'll measure 25, 10, 20, 25 is here. Let me confirm it very well again. Yes, that's 25. Like that. Now, these two arcs, this one and this one, their centers are tilted at 10 from this face. So I'll measure 10 from that face. This is 10 from that face, yes. So then I'll draw a vertical line from that point upward. Then the center of this one is 100 from the base. So I'll measure it from the base. I'll measure 100 from the base. Let me start from 26 to 16 will be 100. From 26 to 16 is 100. So this is 100 here. Let me extend the line a little bit more. So this is 100. So the next thing I want to do is to draw this curved part. The circle is of radius 9. So I'll measure 9. This is 9. I'll stay here and draw the circle of radius 9. Then I'll go again, and the other circle is of radius 8. This is radius 8. I'll measure 8 mm. This is 8. I'll furthermore stay at the top of this one to get the center first. That's the center of the circle. So I'll now stay here and draw the circle of radius 8. Like that. So that's the second circle. Now the next thing I want to draw is this arc here, and the center, because the center already of that circle is already established which is this point. It is this place, and the radius is 100. I'll measure 100 from 25 to 15 is 100. 25 to 15 is 100. So I'll stay at this point now and draw the arc. Let's draw the arc like that. So now the next thing I want to do is to get this center, because this curve and this curve have common center, which is here, and this curve is connected to this one externally, because if you complete this curve of radius 140, if you complete it and complete this other one, the two of them will be exclusive of themselves. No one of them will be inside the other one. So that means they are connected externally. Complete this one and complete that one. The two of them will be touching externally. So when they are touching externally, you need to add the radar. So that will be 140 plus 9. That will be 149. That's 149. So I'll measure 149 from 20 to 10 is 100. So this is 140, and 149 will be somewhere here. Yes, this is 149. So I'll stay at this center and mark this arc. I'll mark that arc and check it again. 149 from here to here. Yes, that's correct. 149. Now, how do we get the other arc? How do we get the other arc? To get the other arc, you notice that this arc is connected to this arc. It is connected to this arc of radius 140. It's connected to this arc externally, and it's also connected to this vertical line between here and here. So it means the radius of this center to this place is also 140. So you now stay on this place, because it's connected to a straight line. So you stay at that point where it is connected to it and use 140 to mark arc to intersect this place. So I'll now use 140. 140 is from 14 to 1, like this. So I'll stay at this point and intersect that arc. So this will be the center. This point is the center of the arc that connects this one. So, and what's the radius of the arc? The radius is 140. Look at it. This arc here is radius 140. I'll now use my 140 to now connect. I'll stay here now and use my 140, and I'll now connect. You can see I can make it thick once and for all. Yeah, like that. So I've been able to obtain this point. Now also take note that this radius of 140, the center of this one and this radius of 105, they are the same. So I can use this one to get this arc of 105 using the same center. So I'll measure my 105 now. This is 105. And move it a little bit closer. 105 is here. So the same center, which is this place, I'll now construct this arc like this. It's not enough. Yeah, I should connect to this one. So now we are done with that. So we are left with this curved part here and this curved part. This curved one and this curved part. How do we get this curved part? You will notice that this curved part and this one, they are connected together. If you complete this one of radius 105 and complete this one of radius 6, none of them will be inside of the other, which means they are externally connected, meaning that to get the center of this one from here, you have to add the radius together. So that will be 105 plus 6, which give us 111. So I'm going to measure 111. 111 is here. No, this 110, 111 will be here. Yes, that's 111. So I'll stay at this same center of radius 105 and mark an arc inside there. That's one part, one way to get that one. And another thing is that this arc and this arc are also connected together. Now, if you complete this arc here, this one of radius 6, and complete this one of radius 100, you notice that the one of radius 100 will be inside of the one of, and the one of radius 6 will be inside of the one of radius 100, meaning they are connected internally. And what do you do to get the center? It means you have to subtract. And meanwhile, the one of 100, we know the center already. So from here to the center of this one, you have to subtract to get the center of this one. So it will be 100 minus 6, which will give us 94. So you will now measure 94. 94 is here. Is 94. Here. Is 94. So you now stay at the center that you already know and mark this other arc. So that will be the center of this circle of radius 6. Now this point of intersection is center. You now use radius 6 to draw the arc. You measure 6. Yes, this is 6. So you now stay here now and you connect them. As easy as that. Just connect them. So that's the connection. Now the next thing we want to do, the last thing is to get this curved part here. And how do we get this curved part here? We know that this one and this one are connected. By the time you complete this one of radius 5 and complete this one of radius 105, you notice that the radius 15 will be inside of the one of radius 105, meaning they are connected internally. They are connected internally. So that means we have to subtract from this center to this center. You have to subtract. That will be 1. This one is 105 minus 15, which will give us 90. And we know the center already, so use it to mark arc somewhere here. We'll use 90 to mark the arc. This is 90. Somewhere here is 90. So we know the center already. So I will stay here now and mark this arc like this. Now, finally, to get, you notice that this curved part here is also connected to this straight line. So to get the center, because to get this one, you need to move up by the same size of the radius, which is 15. So to move up, but you don't know the point at which it will be, because if you decide to, we can move up from here, we don't know the exact point to move up. So to get that point now, you need to measure that 15 from this end. From this side, you measure 15. That 15, which is this point, and you draw a horizontal line to intersect that arc that we have drawn earlier on. You draw a horizontal line, or you just mark a point here. You may not draw it. I just transfer this point to mark this place. So it means from the base here to this place is 15, so that I can use it to draw this curve here. So with this now, it will be easy to draw a curve of radius 15. Let me measure 15. I'll measure 15. This is 15. Yes. So I'll now stay here now, and I'll connect the points. Let me see again. The first one is not connecting to this place. Let me see. Here to here, is it 15? No, this is not 15. So I need to check this arc again. I need to check this arc. And how did we get our arc? We subtracted. I think we used 90. I think it was 90 that we used. 90. This is 90 from here. You can see it was not properly measured earlier on. So these are 90. So it is intersecting this one at this point. So we put it here and extend it to this place, because that will give us 15. And we draw our arc. You can see it's a perfect connection now. So now I can now come back here and thicken this arc. So I can thicken it like this. I can now stay here and thicken this other one. Then I'll stay here and thicken this one. Just thicken it halfway like this. Then I'll come here and thicken this one too from here. Like that. What else? So the other one is straight lines. Just join this one with straight line. Straight line. Here too will be straight line. Then at the base, straight line. And this other one too, straight line. So that is the solution to that problem. So if you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in another video.